Hey guys, Alex Felton here, and welcome back to another vlog on Texada Island, as you can see right there. I decided, you know what, today would be a day where I took the kayak out for a vlog, and that's exactly what I've done here. So, I jury-rigged a little setup using the shoe that I have for a camera. Just a little camcorder, just a Vixia HFR 700, and I've taped it to a bowl that's on the top of my head. And by now I would have put up a little inset of what that looks like. So yeah. So I thought I'd just take you guys on a peaceful little kayak journey here at a shelter point. And it's actually high tide right now, so yeah. Yeah, and by the way, sorry I haven't uploaded as many vlogs as I promised from this island. I'm really kicking myself for not doing so. I've just been, I've always really just been lazy and unmotivated, but there's also the fact that I am on vacation, and I haven't really taken it seriously to show you guys where I am and what I'm doing. But I mean, what are you guys gonna do with the information anyway? It's not like you're keeping tabs on my every move. Or are you? No, you're not. Yeah. This is actually like a beautiful coastline right here. I don't know if the camera is showing a whole hell of a lot of it, but yeah. This is where we are. It's a good deal from where we live. It's about 12 clicks from where we live. Yeah. Just paddling along. Yeah. I didn't honestly really have any other plans for this vlog other than just kayaking and taking you guys with me. That's about it. That's all I had. This is it. This is the pinnacle. And as you can see, there's some other islands across from where we are. I have no idea what the name of that island is. I know it begins with an L. So, yeah. And, this isn't actually a voiceover dub. I actually have this on my head and I am talking right now. So, yeah. By the way, if it seems like we're just wobbling around a bit too much, that's not me. It's the fact that we're on high tide and the water's getting not choppy, but just a little bit of rough. Yes, those were words I just said. I actually came by here, I think it was Friday I came by here, and this was kind of a low tide, like low-ish tide. And you could see more of the rocks that make up this beach, but this is actually really high tide compared to what we had. Like this is 1 or 2 feet different. Well, let's dodge these rocks here. You can't see them, they're under the water, but yeah, there are rocks here that I don't want to damage my kayak on. Before you ask, yes, yes, I know what that's like. It's the whole reason I'm avoiding them. It's an interesting looking tree. That wasn't actually here the last time, I don't think. Unless it was and I'm just being really stupid. It probably was and I just didn't notice it. Or maybe it wasn't and I'm just being really, really observant right now, but yeah. I'll sit up a bit so you guys can see more of this. By the way, just a quick note about the camera setup that I have on my head. I was actually originally going to use a baseball cap, and I'll bring a picture of that up now. I was originally going to use that, but even though duct tape has a really high tack, it wouldn't actually stick to the fabric that made up the hat. And so I was forced to improvise with this. The shoreline, man. Like this is why we live in BC. We live in BC because of all the beautiful trees and stuff that make it up. And the coastline too. And all the islands. Yep. It's like a ritual. Every year we'll come to 1 or 2 or 3 of the Gulf Islands for like a 2-week vacation. And we'll do that, and then we'll go back home, and then I'll probably go to like a summer camp or something. It's usually how these things go. So right now we're coming up to the point about where I stopped last time. These rocks up here that you can see. Or maybe you can't, and I'm just being an asshole about it, but you know, can you see them? Okay, good. I have no idea how this vlog is going to turn out in editing. I hope it turns out well. I hope it, ends up a good little vlog. And I honestly hope I can make more of these in the future. Because I love kayaking. It's one of my favorite things. It's just me, the boat, the paddle, and the water. That's it. And all the beautiful shoreline that surrounds me. Well, hold up. Woo! Gotta avoid those rocks there. Oh, shit. Yeah, see, I knew it. It's getting too close for comfort. So yeah, like I said, this is about the point where I stopped last time. And again, it's a lower tide than it is right now. So I don't know, maybe we'll just explore just a little bit further. I shouldn't have to heavily edit this vlog either. except for the 2 photo inserts. I may have to fuck around with the audio for a bit, but that's about it. This shouldn't take too long to edit. Yeah. Alright, I think this is about it. I think we're now, treading into previously undiscovered by Alex Felton coastline. Should be interesting. Oh, this is looking interesting. Oh shit, rock. Ah, expert dodging. Wow. Like, I don't think on this whole trip that I've actually been in this specific place before. So this is actually pretty interesting. I want to get away from the shore just a tiny bit, I still want to show you guys this, but alright, let's just sit here for a bit. Originally what I wanted to do for this vlog was to paddle to like a subsequent island somewhere. Like here, if I can just get turned around for a quick sec. I think you can see off in the distance there. The camera is probably shit at picking this up. I'll zoom in on it in editing, but those little islands out there. I was originally thinking of going to where I came from and paddling up to there. But I don't know, it probably would have freaked my mom and dad out if I went actually that far. Which is saying a lot since I've actually come this far. So, yeah. I was originally gonna go there and then like sit there and then vlog like in person, like you could see me on camera. And then I just like bring some food and some water and just sit there. Maybe go seal watching. That'd be fucking awesome. Seal watching? That'd be fucking lit. But alas, I don't think we can do that. This is awesome. We haven't run into any like seafaring creatures just yet. Which I guess isn't like extremely disappointing. I don't know, kind of since the ocean like terrifies me just a little bit, not too much. I don't know, if we saw like 1 or 2 seals, that would be awesome. But I really just gotta work with what nature has dealt me right now. Hold up, is that like a different island? Holy shit, I gotta see this. I don't want to get too far because I don't want to get sucked in by the current. But holy shit. Now this could very well just be a bay that just goes in a little bit and then goes along that way. Which I'm actually inclined to think that it is. Yeah, I think it is. Alright. It was a fucking beautiful day to come out. Those are the only clouds in the sky right there. I guess I should probably start heading back. Yeah, let's do that. Also, one of the reasons the water may be kind of choppy is because there may be ferries going by. Like the ferries that brought us out here. Yeah, so we may just want to watch out for waves that come by. I mean, the waves aren't too bad, but they're kind of creating the wobble that you're seeing right now. Like, whoa, whoa, shit, oh my god. I hope you guys are having a good day. I know I am, but I hope you guys at home who are on holiday but not on vacation. I hope you're still having a good time just sitting there watching this video, pretending that you're on the beach here on Texada Island. I didn't even know this island existed until Mom mentioned it to me. She was like, oh, let's go to Texada Island. I thought she said Texas originally, and I'm like, why the fuck would anyone want to go to Texas? My God, you have any idea how smoking hot it is there? But no, it's Texada. And this is actually, it was a great idea to come here. Like there isn't a whole hell of a lot. And I truly mean that. There was like, it's not as sparsely populated as Denman Island, but it's kind of up there. It's kind of, well, down there, actually. What the fuck is that? Those could be waves, but I think it's a whale. No, actually, it's just my imagination fucking with me. Never mind. Forget it. But yeah, so... But yeah, Texada doesn't have like a whole lot going on. It has a little farmer's market, but the farmer's market only goes for an hour and a half because there's so few people on the island. And the farmer's market is like only 3,000 square feet. It's the size of a middle-class house. So, yeah. Man, look at those trees. Those reddish trees that you see there, those are arbutus trees. Arbutus trees are fucking awesome. Like when their bark peels off in the summer, it reveals this reddish skin underneath it. It's amazing. Oh, wait, the reddish stuff is the bark peeling away, and it reveals whatever skin is underneath. But it's still amazing. It's like you're constantly unwrapping a tree. It's amazing. Also, just a random thought. If you liked this vlog, just let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section. If you want me to talk more or talk less during my vlogs, or if you just want me to shut the fuck up and just enjoy the scenery, that's fine too. Oh, there's some people on the beach there. They're coming up this way. That's cool. I wonder if they notice just how absolutely ridiculous I look. They probably do, and they're probably just trying to contain their laughter. Oh, fuck. Well, if there was ever a time to fall off, it was now. It's okay. I saved it. Ooh, getting into some choppy water here. It's all right. Wait, hold up. Are those ships? Or are those islands? Oh, this is messing with my head now. Because, like, I thought those were islands. Are they, or are they ships? I have no idea. This is messing with my head. I gotta get back. Wow, I have actually gone pretty far from the shore. Let me just paddle in a bit. Fucking shit. Okay, this thing is like really slipping off. I mean, it was fine when I put it on, like when I first started doing this, but I don't know, it's getting a little annoying now. But that's okay, we're pulling into shore now, actually. Well, a little bit from now, maybe. 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. Just that again. Again, like I said, if this vlog isn't exactly perfect, just let me know in the comment section. You know, I'm always looking through the comment section, always looking for viewer feedback. Alright, just got there, a little ways to go. There's my mom. She's waving at me. Hi. Yep. Just a couple seconds, we'll be going to the shore. Ciao. So if you guys liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for being here.